What's up guys, it's me Geek. So the question is that is the IOT Internet of Things is that? My answer will be that yes. No. What I mean by yes and no. My answer is simple. Internet of Things is the future, but at the same time there is a declining happening in the Internet of Things. Like 1 and 2 years ago, Internet of Things was that everything is going to connect with internet, your smartphone, your refrigerator and your everything, maybe even your underwear, I do not know, maybe. Now people start to realize they do not need everything to connect to the internet. They do not need to send their every location, how many times they go and then do the poo in the toilet. I mean, how many times do they do the bang, to be honest with you. No. People realize that. Due to number one thing is the privacy issue, and number two thing is that, for example, even a good company taking your data, what happens if there's a data breach? So people realize that no, we do not need everything to connect to the internet, and the internet is destroying our social life. Look at Facebook, look at the social media, look at the crappy evil Facebook. What they did, they installed a crappy malware on the Apple iPhone and they try to take out the data from the network. Evil Facebook. So people realize that they do not need Internet of Things so at must. So there's already a declining. A lot of companies are now saying their refrigerator is not like their refrigerator is a smart refrigerator which have LCD display which can tell you what is the thermometer, what is the temperature of your food, every that kind of stuff. It's a smart. It have a IC chip inside, but it's not sending the data over the internet. I will be telling you stay away from the Internet of Things, because I do not have any solid hope that the Internet of Things can like survive next maybe 5 years. In upcoming 5 years, I will be seeing less things connected to the internet. Again, I'm Geek, I'm a stupid geek. It's my opinion. It's my personal opinion. I can say whatever I like. When did I tell you I'm a graduate from Harvard? When did I tell you I did PhD in AI? That my wife did. Okay, I'm an idiot. My wife did a PhD in computer vision, computer artificial intelligence. I should be afraid. I mean, she tell me so much horrible story about the artificial intelligence. Maybe that story for another day. But I'm an idiot. My personal opinion, my 2 cents is that your homie Internet Things is not the future. Again, it was me, Umair.